Acharya, so you just had this nutrition thing and you just said something really interesting for me. So what was that?
Yeah, it's basically, before this session, I'd read a lot of material and spoken to a few people and stuff. And on the basis of that material and talking to people, I had formed in my mind certain conceptions and a certain kind of diet plan to control my weight, control my body shape and things like that. But this session has actually been great because it's debunked a lot of those myths that I thought were actually facts. And they turned out to be myths. So now I understand that, what it means to actually control your portion and what it means to actually have a balanced diet. So the whole emphasis on cutting out carbs from your diet and just going for protein and this and that, it's actually wrong. I was actually causing damage to my body instead of going the other way. And now hopefully I'll be able to put this into practice and get a true balanced diet and actually do some benefit to myself.
Great, fantastic, and we will see it on your plate.
Definitely, and in my life.